Best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the trending kitchen vegetable and fruits chopper gadgets. Its multifunctional mandolin slicer with adjustable blades for various cutting options and food preparation needs. Also, few products has space-saving design with integrated catch bowl and removable blade inserts for easy organization. Constructed with high-quality materials featuring sturdy plastic frame and sharp stainless steel blades. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Mini electric chopper. With its intuitive one-touch operation, this mini chopper simplifies your food preparation. Just press a button, and the powerful blades spring into action, effortlessly chopping your ingredients to perfection. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Electric chopper. One-touch operation electric chopper for kitchen use for effortless chopping and dicing, helping you save time during meal prep and spend more quality time with your family. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love with our food processor for kitchen. The detachable components of our dishwasher-safe vegetable chopper electric make cleaning the chopper electric for kitchen easy so that you can enjoy your meal time more. This convenient and reliable chopper for kitchen electric reduces the stress of juggling multiple tools like knives and chopping boards. A life-changing vegetable cutter electric, the ultimate more than a vegetable chopper electric for kitchen use that makes a practical and much appreciated gift for busy moms looking to simplify their daily routines. This food grinder is equipped with 4 stainless steel blades and 2 modes to choose. You can chop, grind various ingredients, such as onions, meat, ham, garlic, onion, small herbs. The unit can be disassembled and accessories are easier to clean. The cutter comes with a non-slip mat. You can put the bowl on the mat. Everything is practical. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Manual vegetable chopper. Made of food-grade PP plastic, which can safely produce a variety of food for your family. The vegetable chopper is operated manually and is very easy to use thanks to the pulling mechanism. Rotatable blades are placed at different points on the peeler, making it possible to cut fruit and vegetables more precisely. The manual food crusher can help you more quickly and no more tears when you chop onions, garlic, and chili. Just place the foods in the container, twist and lock the cover, and pull the string to turn the cleaver. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Electric chopper. Elevate your kitchen experience with the Chef Delight chopper, an electric chopper that excels as a vegetable chopper and a versatile kitchen accessory. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Chopper. Large break-resistant container with rubber grip base which holds the device firmly in place, easy to use, clean and store, hand-operated, no electricity needed. The container is break-resistant, extra sharp stainless steel blades, advanced push-to-clean button which ensures easy and hygienic cleaning. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Food processor. Now you do not need to buy multiple appliances to perform everyday tasks. This multifunction 800W food processor does it all, be it chopping, kneading and shredding. Spend less time in the kitchen. Equipped with overload protector and child lock safety function, this appliance is suitable for chopping, shredding, slicing and emulsifying food. It can beat cake batter and egg whites, knead bread dough and grind meat, savor the flavor with precise slicing and dicing. The perfection of each piece allows for even cooking, even flavors and a perfectly textured plate of produce. The end result, a dish that tastes as good as it looks. Sit and relax, let the food processor do all the work for you. The capacity of the main bowl is 1.4 ltr, making it ideal for preparing large meals. No need to stop, you can process large volumes of food in one go. Easy maintenance and silent performer. The attachments can be swapped easily and you can easily clean up after use. Easy prep. Unlike other food processors, is quiet and provides peaceful cooking experience. From slicing, grating, mashing and pureeing, easy prep takes care of your cooking tasks. With the addition of multifunctional attachments, your machine becomes more than just a food processor, it makes you a professional chef in your home. Expanding the capabilities to allow you to create your own soups, smoothies, baby foods, sauces, dips and much more. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Salad spinner. A great helper in the kitchen with convenient operation, electric cucumber slicer adopts multifunctional 2-in-1 design, suitable for quick dehydration and cutting vegetables. The electric vegetable chopper provides enough space for cutting and grinding, is designed with a large capacity of 4L which is convenient to clean more fruits and vegetables. Made of stainless steel blade and ABS resin material. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Cutter. The vegetable chopper has 6 blades to meet your needs for cutting vegetables in various shapes. Slicer is made of rust-proof and durable stainless steel which can maintain the sharpness of the blade and realize clear and smooth cutting and grinding. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Chopper. All-purpose 6-in-1 food processor now chops meat and vegetables, make salads, knead the dough, make a batter for cakes, pastries and pancakes, blend milkshakes, baby food, soups and stews. Crush ice and enjoy frozen drinks. 4 settings in the slicer dicer disc for fine and thick juliennes as well as fine and thick slicing. Dual speed manual food processor with first gear for power and fourth gear for speed. Manual 6-in-1 food processor for chopping, slicing, shredding, whipping, mincing and ice crushing and can be used for kneading the dough as well. Additional dough blade for kneading dough hygienically and conveniently. Compact design with a non-slip and durable body. To ease your chopping, slicing, mincing, shredding, whipping or kneading activities in the kitchen, Turbo Chopper is the perfect tool. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cutting board. Built-in stainless steel blade cutter for efficient slicing of vegetables and fruits. Safety. Anti-slip base ensures steady positioning on countertops, preventing unwanted movement. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Vegetable slicer. Adjust thickness with a simple turn of the dial, eliminating the need for blade changes. Features a safety hand guard to securely hold food and prevent slipping during slicing, made from food-grade plastic and stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance. Includes an introductory manual for quick setup, easily change thickness and shape with the knobs. Ideal for a wide variety of fruits and vegetables, perfect for salads, stir-fries, and more. Folding legs with rubber handles provide stability and comfort during use, featuring multiple blade attachments for varied cutting styles and food preparation needs. Equipped with an ergonomic safety handle to protect fingers while slicing and grating different vegetables and fruits, includes interchangeable stainless steel blades for slicing, grating, and julienne cuts in different thicknesses. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Push chopper. Crafted from durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and longevity in your kitchen. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopper. The blades are made from heavy-duty stainless steel, guaranteed not to rust or lose sharpness. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Chopper. Rechargeable vegetable electric chopper with sharp stainless steel blades for quick and uniform cutting of garlic, onions, peppers, and more. Product link is given in the 14th link.